Yeah guys, today I'm going to show you how this UMPOPO Ultrasonic and UVC retainer cleaner works in detail. And I'm also going to talk about one specific thing which is super important, and usually I don't see anybody else talking about that. Of course, I also have to mention that I got this device from the seller to show you all the really nice details, but it's still my honest opinion because I will never claim something which is not true. So what we get here is a complete set. We get this really nice, very convenient, beautiful device, has even some soft rubber feet underneath. We have the power plug in the back, and for that of course we get also the power supply, and we get also these tweezers here, and of course comes also with the instructions manual. I've used it already and I was almost shocked, not because it was not cleaning enough, but actually because it was cleaning in such a very strong way, which brought my retainers to pretty much original condition back. And here inside I had a huge cloudy mess, and I thought I had cleaned my retainers absolutely perfectly by hand, but obviously I didn't. In general, it's very easy to be used. We fill it up here to the maximum line, then put the retainers inside, close it, connect it to power, and then long press here on this button on top to turn it on. And after that you have the choice to select the program with a short press. So even while it's running already, you can change the program. As far as I remember, we have 4 different programs. We have the choice of different lengths of cleaning. Some programs are with UVC and some programs are with ultrasonic in some really nice combinations. And we cannot only clean retainers, we can also clean toothbrushes here, because we have these flexible openings here on top, and these openings even provide some protection against UVC, and that's super important, because you really want to stay away from any UVC exposure. And so for that we do not only have this flexible protection here for the opening, we also have the automatic turn off for the UVC. When we open the lid and when we close it, the UVC will continue, and as soon as we open it, it will stop again. And this is super important, and also I can tell you not all devices are doing that. Just recently I tested a similar device which didn't turn off the UVC light when opening the lid. That's definitely something which is really not good. Yeah, I would say from everything which I've seen so far, it's absolutely awesome. It's also not too large. I've seen some really large bulky devices. It's a beautiful one. As far as I can see, it's really sturdy build, has exactly the functions which I want, and I've been super impressed regarding the result of my first cleaning. Again, we have some decent protection against UVC. I maybe wished there would be even a little bit better protection without any kind of opening, without any kind of transparency here. I mean, we have some kind of transparency here. It's very dark, and so I hope that it's filtering out all the UVC light. Unfortunately, I don't have any UVC test device. On the other hand, what's awesome is that the UVC light is not integrated here on the outside here, which I've seen with some other devices. So when you open and it would still emit the UVC, you wouldn't look directly into the UVC emitting diode. Here we have the UVC built into the lid. So for example, when you open it like that, you wouldn't even see the UV light, maybe just a little bit mirroring, reflecting from the water. So even though it's maybe not absolutely perfect, but from what I've seen regarding testing 2 devices now, I can tell you this is definitely my choice, at least at the moment. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this ultrasonic UVC cleaner, which you can use, of course, also to clean some other stuff, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.